तो सर आपकी कहने का मतलब है कि कोई भी थॉट जब हमें बार बार आए और ऐसी थॉट जो पहले से हो चुकी हो और हमारे दिमाग में आए या फिर कोई चीज़ फ्यूचर में होने वाली हो तो वो ओवर थिंकिंग होती है। और ओवर थिंकिंग में हम सोचते रहते हैं, सोचते जाते हैं, मतलब हमें पता नहीं होता है कि इसका क्या फ़ायदा है, बस सोचते रहते हैं ना सर।
Yes, ma'am, you are right. Because some people they have positive thought, while others they are dealing with the negative thought.
Yeah.
According to such research, ma'am, that is also very fact data is that according to such research, per day human mind generate 60 to 80,000 thought. Click in our mind. 60 to 80,000 thoughts, and most of them may be negative thought. Many of them may be repetitive things, same things. This is
Welcome back to English by Hafiz.
This is highly vital, crucial podcast. Today, our trending, very perplexity, confused, complicated point is that this is the overthinking. Today, my topic is overthinking. We are going to talk about the overthinking. What is the overthinking? How does it impact human mind, human life, human work processes? How does it occupy, dominate human body, human mind, especially particularly? Today we are going to talk, today we are going to create awareness, welfare among society. Ki how can we fight? How can we overcome, control, eradicate these kind of things? What is this? So hope that guys, this podcast once more gonna very effective, attractive, charming, captivating, lovely, fascinating, and deeply useful for everyone.
So guys, today we are going to talk about a very serious topic, that is overthinking. So sir, my first question is that tell me what is overthinking according to you?
Yeah,
What's the meaning of overthinking?
that's excellent and vital question, guys. Everyone must know about this answer of this question. Question is that what is overthinking? Answer is so simple, guys. Already you know that. Please listen carefully. Pay attention. Overthinking is when you think too much about something which already happened or will happen in the future. Overthinking means whenever your mind is keep on talking continuously non-stop without observing, without thinking. During this talking you are not solving any kind of things, only you are talking. This is also one kind of overthinking. Overthinking is that whenever we saw people, any kind of incident, any kind of things pops up in front of our eyes, we start thinking over and over. This is the loop thinking, loop thought. People even same thing, same thought. This is one kind of repetitive thought which is also clicking in our mind. This is the
तो सर आपकी कहने का मतलब है कि कोई भी थॉट जब हमें बार बार आए और ऐसी थॉट जो पहले से हो चुकी हो और हमारे दिमाग में आए या फिर कोई चीज़ फ्यूचर में होने वाली हो तो वो ओवर थिंकिंग होती है। और ओवर थिंकिंग में हम सोचते रहते हैं, सोचते जाते हैं, मतलब उसमें हमें पता नहीं होता है कि इसका क्या फ़ायदा है, बस सोचते रहते हैं ना सर।
Yes, ma'am, you are right. Because some people they have positive thought, while others they
And
are dealing
overthinking.
with the negative thought.
या
According to such research, ma'am, that is also very fact data is that according to such research, per day human mind generate 60 to 80,000 thought. Click in our mind. 60 to 80,000 thoughts, and most of them may be negative
Yeah.
thought. Many of them may be repetitive things, same things.
हाँ,
This
कोई
is
भी
the
thought again.
according to research.
तो सर मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन है, what happens in our mind when we start overthinking? How does it arise in human mind?
All right, that's a wonderful question, ladies and gentlemen. How does it exist?
या
Arise overthinking in our mind. You know, ladies and gentlemen, normally, naturally, we can say that definitely each and every human mind have infinite thought. Some of them they have positive, some of them they have negative thought. How does it arise? Overthinking causes just because of depression, pressure, anxiety,
procrastination.
procrastination, accident. Whenever these kind of things, story, या fake story, our mind get, then lots of negative point start coming to related that particular point.
If you have a lot of tension and pressure, then overthinking
Start coming.
start coming in our mind.
Whenever
Yeah.
we have any kind of pressure, tension, anxiety, depression, any kind of things, our mind start generating lots of thinking thought. This is one kind of nature, ma'am. We can say that.
कभी ना
definitely.
किसी भी चीज़ से अगर डरते हैं ना तो अपने आप ओवर थिंकिंग हमारे माइंड में आने लगती है।
Yeah, right. If we are making any kind of mistake, blunder,
Yeah.
if we start fearing, then बहुत सारी सोचें आनी। You can experience कि lots of student, ma'am, they are learning English.
या
They are considering that English, this is one kind of bugbear in their life. By the way itself, it is so simple. It's a piece of cake. Whenever lecturer, whenever public speaker, they start delivering the lecture, we realize that is very simple. They are making fun, they are delivering the lecture, they are elaborating, they are putting lots of things. It's a piece of cake. But whenever you consider that English, this is tough for me, lots of students, they are thinking that English is really bugbear. After considering, after observing these thought, these kind of negative thought, now your mind start generating lots of thought related that particular point. Ki it might be that people laugh, it might be that ki we stuck, it might be that we fail, it might be that we make mistake, blunder, it might be that we fumble, ramble, stammer. These kind of thoughts start coming. Finally, his pressure, his ambition, his dream, his passion, obsession, everything is blocked. Finally, he can become loop of anxiety, depression, pressure.
या सर कहा कहा भी जाता है ना, खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर होता है।
खाली दिमाग शैतान का
तो
क्या होता है? घर होता
तो
है।
अपने आप को जितना हो सके आप बिजी करिए किसी भी काम में, क्योंकि अगर हम लोग फ्री रहेंगे तो ओवर थिंकिंग करेंगे ही और आएगा ही, कोई ना कोई बात ज़रूर आएगी।
Yeah, because whenever ma'am we start focusing, targeting our purpose, our target, then automatic our mind start giving right force on that target.
या
Whatever negative thought coming, yeah, popping up, our mind is not noticing that at that particular point. But actually overthinking sometimes make people mad. Overthinking sometimes
सर अच्छे
create
खासों को पागल
Very-
बनाता है। या
incurable disease.
हाँ।
Because overthinking, this is one kind of incurable
और क्या सर, कोई भी इलाज नहीं कर सकता।
disease.
या
Nobody can cure you. There is no any kind of vaccine, there is no any kind of medicine
Yeah,
which
over-
can control. Why? Because this is one kind of feeling expression.
ओवर थिंकिंग का कोई इलाज नहीं है जब तक हम अपने आप से उस पर काम ना करें, उसको
right.
खत्म ना करें।
I have seen, ma'am, in my village there is a person. एक ऐसा व्यक्ति है मेरे गांव में. I would like to mention this point, this story in Hindi language, guys. दोस्तों, I would like to mention crystal clear, unambiguous, unequivocal by putting one example कि how much perilous, pernicious, injurious overthinking to health. Sometimes this one is make mad to people. Sometimes this one is also make to people victim of any kind of incurable fatal disease. I saw one person in my village. His name is Mr. Arif. He has been suffering since a long time. Problem of this is hemorrhoids, piles, Bawasir problem. He went under the operation 3 times, but where he had not any kind of result. Nobody could cure him properly. These kind of incident, these kind of disease impacted badly mind of Mr. Arif. I think that for 4, 5, 6, 7 years, 5 to 10 years, he has been suffering, bothering a lot. This time, his mind keeps on talking continue from morning to evening, and his communication skill, the way he is addressing, very effective, attractive, continue he is talking. मैम समटाइम ऐसा होता है कुछ लोग बहुत बोलते हैं. Some people they are speaking a lot. They are actually talkative, chatterbox. सुबह शाम तक बोलते रहते हैं, लोग भी उनसे उब जाते हैं. People actually they fed up. उब जाते तो ना बोलते रहते हैं, लेकिन वो क्या क्या बोलते हैं उनको भी खुद नहीं पता रहता है. This is also one kind of thinking, overthinking, guys. Because why? You are speaking more, you are talking continue, but you are also completely confused कि what am I thinking, why am I very worried? Because they are not solving, only they are talking. Or this is also this kind of symptoms also we are having mad people. पागल भी जो होते हैं बोलते रहते, लेकिन क्या बोलते हैं उन्हें पता नहीं भी, क्योंकि उनके दिमाग में ओवर थिंकिंग आती है. जो कुछ आता जाता है बोलते जाते, जो भी दिमाग सोचता है सबको बोलते जाते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि वो एक्चुअली दे डोंट सॉल्व एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स कमिंग, और ये भी नहीं सोचते कि जो चीज़ आ रही सही है कि गलत. इज दिस 100% ट्रू? Whatever thought is coming in our mind, we should analysis, but they are not going to do this kind of activity. पागल लोग भी ऐसे करते हैं. तो उसको people actually in my village people they claim that कि आरिफ he is the mad. पूरे गांव वाले उसे क्या की पागल घोषित कर दिए. मैंने नहीं किया है. But he is talking, he is delivering his lecture, he always elaborating, describing his problem. I think that each and every ephemeral moment, overthinking pops up in front of overthinking occupied his mind. He is not solving. Only he is talking. He is elaborating. So he is facing lots of problem in his life just because of one incident. That incident right now generate lots of overthinking. That is why. So don't think too much about anything. Whatever things comes in your mind, just you try to solve. कि what is this? Why is it coming clicking in our mind? Why it is one kind of repetitive point coming clicking in our mind? You should try to solve this kind of problem. Then you can reduce.
So sir, everyone say that just stop overthinking. So sir, in your point of view, what's the best way to actually control it? हम इसे कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं? सब लोग कहते हैं कि ओवर थिंकिंग मत करो, पर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है सर, हम इसे कैसे वो करें, कंट्रोल करें, और कैसे अपने दिमाग में आने ना दें ओवर थिंकिंग को?
Alright. This is also, guys, vital point. Point should be noted. How can we overcome? How can we overcome control?
And reduce,
eradicate, reduce these kind of negative thought. Positive thought तो आनी चाहिए. Negative thought. Thinking. To control these kind of negative thought, we should apply some kind of meditation and mindfulness. These kind of activity we should adopt. 5 to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, we should meditate. We should apply some kind of mental activity which can also reduce, while worshipping, while praying, puja part, namaz, people also they are thinking, but they are concentrating right on God, on Allah, on Bhagwan. Alright, this is also one kind of meditation, you can say that, where also people having lots of benefit, because people also getting more strong spiritually, people getting more strong. Alright, mentally people are being more strong. So I think that it can be controlled by doing some kind of physical activity, mental activity, meditation and mindfulness. If we have not any kind of work, we are only laying on the bed, we are free, we are roaming there and where, strolling, jaunting, we have not any kind of work, it might be that also negative thoughts start coming. They are very free types of people. They have full freedom.
किसी से मतलब नहीं होता है. हाँ.
They
किसी की परवाह नहीं होती.
Oblivious.
हाँ. कोई क्या कह रहा है उन्हें फर्क जरा भी नहीं पड़ता है. तो ऐसे इंसान बनिए कि किसी की ना बात आपको लगे, मतलब कोई परवाह ही नहीं रहे किसी की.
Right.
क्योंकि जो ओवर थिंकिंग करते हैं ना, उन्हें कोई भी इंसान कुछ भी बोल देगा ना, उसके बारे में 1000 बार सोचते हैं.
लोग कहते भी हैं मैम, लोगों से आपको परवाह
नहीं होनी चाहिए. पीपल नथिंग टू अस. या
लोग हमारे लिए कोई मायने नहीं रखते. अगर आप किसी के बारे में बार बार सोचोगे, टो करोगे, जाओगे, समझोगे, इफ यू स्टार्ट राइट क्रिटिसाइजिंग, या इफ यू स्टार्ट राइट ना कास्टिगेटिंग, इफ यू स्टार्ट राइट ना having means other, then problem start coming. Because overthinking, this is also one kind of expire
अच्छे को खराब कर देता है,
which really create venomous, poisonous, toxic things in your mind, which damage badly. I saw many people, they are facing problem. Already I mentioned that कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं दोस्त जो बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें करते हैं, बहुत बोलते हैं, बट उनके पास कुछ भी खाने पीने के लिए तक नहीं है, इधर उधर भटकते हैं, बातें बहुत अच्छी करते हैं, प्रॉब्लम है उनको, उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. तो जो भी लाइफ में दिक्कत आ रही है उससे लड़िए और उसको सॉल्व करिए. ज़्यादा सोच विचार मत करिए. जस्ट यू हैव टू फिगर आउट कि हाउ कैन बी सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. दिस इज वन काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. After finishing, you also enjoy in your life. This kind of activity, if we are adopting, applying in our life, definitely we can control. So we should apply meditation, mindfulness, mental activity. Even we should ignore, boycott whatever unnecessary, unwanted things coming. Just we try to ignore, boycott, eradicate from our mind. Because already I mentioned that on average, according to research, 60 to 80,000 thoughts are being generated by human mind. So this is also fighting battlefield in our mind. Those 1080 to 60 to 80,000 men thought coming, arising, playing.
Yeah.
So we need to fight them. Otherwise they beat us. We need to beat them. We need to compete them. We need to solve them. We need to boycott them. We need to ignore them.
Yeah. अगर हम उसे नहीं सॉल्व करेंगे तो वो हमें
Problem will
yeah.
create in our life. This is our first priority, is that we should try to figure out what is this. जो thought आ रही है, क्या ये 100% सही है
Yeah.
या गलत है, हमें समझना है पहले. एनालिसिस करना है, क्या है, क्यों मैं वरीड हूँ, क्यों वंचित हूँ, सर क्या बेनिफिट हो सकता है. नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. दिस इज नथिंग. बहुत बार तो ऐसा होता है, मैनी टाइम्स इट हैपन मैम, कि हम किसी चीज के बारे में बहुत कुछ सोचते हैं लेकिन लास्ट में कुछ भी नहीं रहता.
कोई भी रिजल्ट नहीं
वन
मिलता.
काइंड ऑफ ओवर थिंकिंग. बहुत सारा प्लान होता है, राइट. क्या क्या हो जाता है. मैंने देखा, मैम एक स्टोरी, बहुत फनी स्टोरी मैं आपको बताऊं. शेख चिल्ली की थी. शेख चिल्ली ने क्या किया था, इतना ओवर थिंकिंग कर ली, पूछिए मत. जो कुछ करने वाला था वो भी
मतलब हमें पता भी नहीं होता है, हमें लगता है कि वो सब रियल में हो रहा है. जो
Yeah.
जितनी बातें हम सोचते हैं ना, पर वो रियल में नहीं
Yeah,
होता है.
they
बस हमारी
are
सोच
fabulous.
रहती है. या
imaginary.
या
They are not existing in this real world.